Hello students, welcome to biology class. Today we are going to discuss about respiration and respiratory substrate. Now basically beta, what is respiration and why it is necessary? Okay, you have heard about the process of breathing and you know the process of respiration, it gets completed in two steps. One is the breathing and other is the cellular respiration. Okay, breathing is just inhalation and exhalation of air. Okay, means inhaling oxygen and exhaling carbon dioxide. Okay, so breathing involves inhalation and exhalation of air, that is oxygen and carbon dioxide respectively. Now cellular respiration beta, see you know the food once it get digested, okay, the food when it get digested, okay, it reacts with oxygen where inside the living cell in order to release the energy. So you can see what is respiration. It is a multi-step enzymatic breakdown of glucose. So this respiration, it does not occur in a single step. It occurs in many steps and almost all the steps they use some enzymes to break down the glucose. Okay, so enzymes, you know better, enzymes are the chemicals. Okay, then respiration releases energy. So I told you, once the digested food it combines with oxygen, the oxygen it breaks down that glucose and it liberates energy. Okay, it liberates energy along with carbon dioxide and water vapor. And this carbon dioxide and water vapor, they are what? Excreted from the body. Then glucose is called respiratory substrate beta. Now see, in the process of respiration, glucose is acted on by oxygen, and this glucose is known as a respiratory substrate because on this glucose the oxygen is performing its action. Now you can see here the glucose, I told you inside the living cell this glucose it combines with oxygen. Okay, so this is what? This is glucose, it is respiratory substrate, and this glucose is being acted by the oxygen. Okay, so oxygen is acting on the respiratory substrate, that is glucose, and here I told you the enzymes. At each step there is the role of enzymes which helps in carrying out this reaction. Now due to this, what will happen? There will be formation of carbon dioxide, there will be formation of water vapors, and 686 kilocalorie of energy is produced. Okay, now beta, this energy is almost 50% of the energy it is used in the synthesis of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphate. So this is adenosine diphosphate and this is inorganic phosphate. Now 50% of the energy, okay, this 50% of energy which is produced there, it is used in making up of ATP from ADP and inorganic phosphates. So ADP is adenosine diphosphate and ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, now one important thing is 7.3 kilocalorie of energy is used to make one ATP molecule. So for the synthesis of one adenosine triphosphate molecule, the energy requirement is 7.3 kilocalorie. Okay, so by utilizing this amount of energy, there is production of one ATP molecules. Okay, and you know beta, these ATP molecules, they are known as energy currency of the cell because they are providing energy to the cells to perform various activities.